Good morning class. In the last previous lecture we have learned about the reaction of matter with water. So we have discussed that water, we have cold water, hot water as well as steam. Steam is nothing but the water. Now written about the matter over here. So which matter react with hot water? This is magnesium which reacts with hot water. Here two more matter are there, but due to that size it is not there. It is sodium and potassium. Above calcium we have sodium and potassium which react with either cold or hot water. And which particular? This particular matter react with steam. Which matter do not react with water at all? So that is copper, silver, gold. These are the matter which do not react with water at all. So we see them in the form of the activity that how particular matter react with water. So here we have the particular matter in which you can see that matter whenever react with water, it produces metal oxide along with hydrogen gas. Metal oxide further react with water to produce metal hydroxide, and then after we have just going to learn about the cold water reaction. So whenever we talked about the particular matter, it is potassium and sodium. So particular potassium and sodium you can see here, both of the matter whenever burnt it produces a fire due to the hydrogen gas, children. And when you will talk about that prevent accidental fire, we kept in the kerosene. So these are two matters which are always kept in the kerosene, keep it in mind. So what is the word equation? Sodium react with water to produce sodium hydroxide and potassium react with water to produce potassium hydroxide. Now when we talk about calcium, calcium also react with cold or hot water, but the particular thing which we have to remember, that is calcium which floats on water due to the particular formation of hydrogen gas which sticks on the surface of it, and due to that it is float on water. And what it produces? It produces calcium hydroxide. Now which particular matter do not react, or which particular matter react with hot water? So I have written that magnesium, same matter, magnesium hydroxide, and it also floats on water. So magnesium produces magnesium hydroxide along with the particular, it floats on water. Now these are the matters, silver and copper, they do not react with water at all. When we talked about, and when we talked about the particular matter like aluminium, zinc and iron, here silver and copper, no reaction with water as well as gold. And when we talk about aluminium, zinc and iron, they are going to react with steam. Now we learn about the reaction of metal with acid. So here we have the particular in which we have the reaction of metal with the acid. When we will talk about the reaction of metal with acid, it produces salt along with hydrogen gas. Here we have a test tube, then I am having a delivery tube, then this is a cork, this is zinc marble tube, and this is the particular glass, watch glass or petri dish, you can say. Test tube in which we are going to take the acidic solution. Delivery tube helps us to pass the hydrogen gas. Cork which we are just putting on the particular mouth of the test tube to pass the delivery tube. Now if I am taking the solution, acidic solution, children, which solution we have which are acidic? Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, they are acidic in nature. So if I am taking hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid in the test tube, and then after I am just adding zinc metal, you see the formation, bubbles of hydrogen gas, or speedily, with a higher speedy rate, hydrogen gas are going to be formed, and by the use of delivery tube, whenever they are passing in the particular soap solution, they are producing a large amount of bubbles, which indicating that whatever the gas produced, that is hydrogen gas, children. So you see the formation of bubbles. आपने अगर गुब्बारे देखा, मेले में कभी भी घूमने जाते हो तो आपने देखा होगा सोप सोल्यूशन के साथ बहुत बड़े बड़े बबल्स फॉर्म होते हैं। उसी तरह से लार्ज अमाउंट में बबल्स फॉर्म होती है। देखो स्पीड उसको डिलीवरी ट्यूब के फॉर्म यूज से अगर हम वॉट ग्लास में लाते हैं या तो पेट्री डिश में लाते हैं सोप सोल्यूशन के अंदर, तो लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ पर्टिकुलर सोप लेदर फॉर्म होता है। और अगर आप उसके पास बर्निंग मैचस्टिक ले जाओगे तो क्या होगा, इट्स गोइंग टू बी देयर प्रोड्यूसिंग अ पॉप साउंड चिल्ड्रन। यहाँ पे अगर आप देखो पॉप साउंड इज गोइंग टू बी देयर प्रोड्यूस, फायर क्रैकर्स होते हैं, पटाखे जलते हैं, जैसे आवाज़ आती है इसी सेम आवाज़ आती है। सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट द रिएक्शन ऑफ मेटल विद एसिड, इट प्रोड्यूसिंग सॉल्ट अलॉन्ग विद hydrogen gas. So that is all about what? The reaction of metal with acid. So that is all about reaction of metal with acid. And when we talked about so here we have zinc, metal react with sulfuric acid, along with it producing hydrogen gas table. So this is all about the particular metal react with the acid. Now let's see the how we have to write it. How metal react with acid as well as lead. How we are going to write it, general equation and all. So here, this is the particular one general formula in which I have just written that mostly all the metals react with acids. That acid is either hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. Which metal do not react? So that is copper, mercury, silver and gold. These are the least reactive metal or noble metals. So they do not react with acid at all. So what is the general equation you are going to write? Metal, dilute acid, it produces salt along with hydrogen gas. अगर चिल्ड्रन एग्जाम में पूछा जाए कि हाइड्रोजन गैस आप कैसे टेस्ट करोगे, तो मैंने कल भी बताया था, आज भी बता रही थी। जैसे हाइड्रोजन गैस को आप डिलीवरी ट्यूब से पास थ्रू करके उसके पास बर्निंग मैचस्टिक ले जाओगे, तो बर्न मैचस्टिक जो है वो पॉप साउंड करके गोज ऑफ हो जाएगी। दैट इज द इंडिकेशन फॉर हाइड्रोजन गैस। नाउ विच पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम्पल्स यू कैन राइट, इट इज अबाउट जिंक एंड मैग्नीशियम। फॉर जिंक आई हैव टेकन हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड एंड फॉर मैग्नीशियम आई हैव टेकन द सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड। So here zinc chloride is produced along with hydrogen gas, and here magnesium sulfate is produced with the formation of hydrogen gas. Now along with hydrochloric acid as well as along with sulfuric acid, we have one more acid that is known as nitric acid. Mostly metals do not react with nitric acid. Only two metals they react with nitric acid, that is manganese and magnesium. This metal react with nitric acid. This all metals do not react with nitric acid. So whenever the other metals react with nitric acid, they are producing a nitrogen oxide or nitrogen dioxide or oxides of nitrogen along with water. Rest, when we talk about manganese and magnesium, they producing hydrogen gas whenever they react with dilute nitric acid. Now how metals are going to react with base when we talked about. So whenever we talked about the particular base, reaction of metal with base, so they are going to produce metallic along with hydrogen gas. So you can write the simple equation about that. Now one more thing which we are going to learn about today, that is about the aqua regia. What is aqua regia? गोल्ड, जैसे हमने बोला कि गोल्ड डिसॉल्व नहीं होता, पर हम गोल्ड ज्वेलरी पहनते हैं, तो ज्वेलर्स क्या करेंगे, एक्वा रिजिया यूज करेंगे गोल्ड को डिसॉल्व करने के लिए। तो व्हाट इज एक्वा रिजिया? सो एक्वा रिजिया इज नथिंग बट इज द मिक्सचर ऑफ, or we can say that it is a freshly prepared solution of concentrated hydrochloric acid as well as concentrated nitric acid. Now what is the ratio of that? अगर एग्जाम में पूछा जाए कि एक्वा रिजिया कितने वॉल्यूम से बनता है, तो उसमें आप 3 वॉल्यूम हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड लोगे और 1 वॉल्यूम नाइट्रिक एसिड। ये जो मिक्सचर है वो गोल्ड को डिसॉल्व आउट करने में हेल्प करेगा। सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट टुडे। In the next lecture, we are just going to learn about uses of metal as well as the reaction of metal with other solution. Thank you.